What actually happens when you're sued in a debt lawsuit? What happens?
Typically what happens is consumer who is sued by a law firm gets served two documents, a summons and a complaint. The summons says, hey, you have to show up to court on this date, and the complaint specifies pretty much all the data that says, hey, consumer, you owe this amount of debt to this bank or to this debt buyer. And typically what happens is a consumer has a set number of days, depending on the state, to respond to the lawsuit. If they don't respond to the lawsuit, they get something called a default judgment, which means they would be liable for paying the full cost of the debt over a set period of time, and it may result in things like garnishment. So people's wages could be garnished, and that's basically money being taken out directly from their check. So there are remediation. So what people can do is, for example, file a debt answer, which says, hey, like, I don't acknowledge this debt. I don't know if this is me. I wasn't served properly, or I was served properly, and pretty much kick off the process of communicating with the collector to make sure that they get a settlement on the debt. And that way they can either structure a payment plan or make sure that they don't have to pay the full lawsuit amount, and they can maybe pay 70%, 60% on it as a lump sum. So that's typically how the process works.